In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Insider Trading. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find insider buys and sells for any listed company and how to read the key details so they actually inform your research. Start on TIKR's main screen and use the search bar to look up the company by its ticker symbol. If you only remember the company name, that works too. But the ticker is the fastest way to land on the right listing, especially if there are multiple share classes or international listings. Once you select the correct result, you'll be taken to the company's overview page. From here, navigate to the Ownership tab. This section brings together who owns the stock, including institutions and corporate insiders, and it's your hub for understanding how the people closest to the company are trading their own shares. It's a helpful complement to the financials because it shows what decision-makers are actually doing, not just what they're saying. Inside the Ownership tab, click on Insider Transactions. This view focuses on recent insider activity, showing you a timeline of buys and sells. Consider it your running log of how executives, directors, and key stakeholders have been trading. You'll typically see a table that updates as new filings come in, making it easy to spot fresh moves. Now review the trade details. Pay close attention to the date, the insider's name and role, the number of shares traded, the price, and whether it was a buy or a sell. The date helps you tie a trade to recent events like earnings or guidance. The role provides context. A CEO buying can carry a different signal than a director trimming a position. The number of shares and the price show the scale and conviction. Large open market buys at meaningful prices often stand out. And the type tells you the direction of the trade. A few interpretation tips can make this data more useful. Look for patterns rather than single events. Multiple insiders buying around the same time can be more informative than a lone purchase. Consider the size relative to the insider's ownership. Small sells might be routine, while unusually large moves deserve a closer look. Compare the transaction price to the current share price to understand whether the insider was stepping in on weakness or strength. And remember, not every sale is negative. Some are for diversification or tax reasons. Use this information as one layer in your broader thesis. Insider transactions are most powerful when combined with fundamentals, guidance, and industry trends. That's it. You now know how to find and interpret insider trading data in TIKR efficiently